I placed an absorbent towel on the fan and was impressed with the result. Few people know what this strange trick is for, but I assure you that when you know it, you will thank me forever. We are going to start this trick by removing the cover of our fan first. Once removed, we are going to measure the absorbent towel in this part of the fan. The side of the absorbent towel that we are going to use for this first part of the trick is the part that I show you on the screen. Next, we will take a scissor and we will cut this part of the towel. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can greet you in a next video. Today's greeting is for Maritza Duarte from the United States. Next, we are going to need fabric softener or some aromatic oil that smells good. In my case, I will use the fabric softener, but you can use the one you prefer. Now I will place the softener all over the towel, remembering that the amount and the brand is optional. And we spread very well. The next thing is to stick the towel inside the area that we had marked on the lid. In the same way, we put the lid back on. This we did will give a rich smell to your house and will leave it scented. By turning on the fan, the air will blow in the towel, spreading the smell evenly throughout the house. The smell will last a couple of days, although this will depend on the use you give the fan. Now, with the piece of towel that was left over, we cut the remaining edges. After cutting them, we stick them inside the trash can, and then we do the same process. We place the softener all over the towel, spreading it very well, and then we stick it in the bottom or on the side of the trash can of the bathroom. In the same way, your bathroom will be super scented. If you got here, leave me the phrase, "I want my house smelly," so I will know that you saw all the content. Leave me the phrase, "I want my house smelly," so I will know that you saw all the content.